with publication, education for excellence.
Chapter 7 about Photoshop. You will learn this chapter about Photoshop, creating a new document in Photoshop, opening an image from a disk components to the components of Photoshop CS6, Photoshop tools, color boxes and modes, basic image editing, cropping, resizing, rotating, saving a file, layers, filters. Photoshop is a popular image editing software program that has been developed by Adobe. It is used by graphic artists, designers, and photographers, and can be enhanced and manipulate images to improve the overall experience. It is an excellent software that makes photo editing easy and effectively. Photoshop comes with many features, that is editing the photographs, removing unwanted backgrounds, improving colors, make the picture brighter, add the format text, clearing the picture, etc. Photoshop software is generally used by professional photographers to edit photos, website developers to create websites, image and publishers to publish magazines and books. Creating a new document. To create a new Photoshop document, follow these steps. First, click on File, New. This will open the document setup dialog box will appear. This dialog box has the following option: page, size and orientation. Here you will be able to name your file, setup and correct page, size and orientation for your document. Option included, but there is a limit to change the page size by typing a new values for width and height. Page size represents to the final size you wanted after printing. In the preset drop down, you can find such common sizes as letter, legal and etc. Typing in exact value of height and width gives you control over the size and orientation of the page. Resolution. Resolution is the numbers of pixels on a printed area of an image. The higher the resolution, the more the pixels are and the more the quality of the picture is. High resolution increase the size of the file also. The standard recommendation of resolution for printing image is 150 by 300 pixels. Color modes. Choose a color mode that is best fit on your project. For example, while making a graphic or a website, choose RGB, red, green, blue. While making an image for printing, use CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Background contents. Choose the background white colors or transparent when you enter all of your document setting. Click it OK. Opening an image from a disk. If you know where an image file is stored, you can open the file in Photoshop CS6 in a similar way to open in MS Office file. Follow these steps. Number 1. In Photoshop, choose File, Open. The Open dialog box will appear. Click on the image file. From it, click the name of the file you want and file you want to open and select. After selecting the file, click the Open button. The file will open in Photoshop. Components of Photoshop CS6. When you open any Photoshop files, it has the following components. Menu bar. If you look at the top of the screen, you will see a menu bar which contains the main functions of the Photoshop, such as file, edit, image, layers, select, filter, analysis, 3D, view, window and help. Toolbar. Most of the major tools are located in the toolbar for easy access. The image will appear in its own window once you open the file. Image name. The name of any image that you want to open. Palettes. The palettes contain functions that helps your monitor and modify image. By default, palettes are stacked together in a group. There are palettes that are used for visible in color, adjustment and layer. If none of the palettes are visible, go to the window in the menu bar and choose the palettes you need. Color, swatch and styles. The color palettes display the current forecolor and background colors and RGB values for these colors. you can use the sliders to change the foreground and background colors in different color modes. You can also choose the option, choose a color more spectrum from the display in the color tram of the at the bottom of the palette. In a swatch palette, you can choose a 4 color, foreground color or background color and add a customized color to your library. The style palettes allows you to view, select and apply preset layer styles. By default, a preset style replaces the current layer style. You can use the styles, the palettes or add your own using create new style icon. History palette. The history palette stores and display each actions performed, allowing you to jump to any recent stage of the image alteration. The alteration should be created during the current working session. After saving or closing the document, the history palettes clear all the contents. Each time to apply a change to an image, a new stage of that image is added to the palette. It is important to know that once you click on any of the previous stage, all the changes will be made after it will be lost. Adjustment palettes. The adjustment layer palettes gives you the ability to apply an effects to the group of layers in a Photoshop, and then you can edit an effects layer while preserving the original layer. Layer palettes lets you organize your work into distinct levels and can be edited and viewing as individual unit. Every Photoshop CS6 documents contain at least one layer. Creating multiple layers lets you to easily control how to artwork is printed, displayed and edited. You can use the layer palettes often while creating the document. So it is crucial to understand that how it is. Photoshop tools, move tools. Use a select and move object on page. Move clicks a tool buttons, then click on any object or the page you wish to move. Marquee tool. Select an object by drawing a rectangular or ellipse around it. Marquee. Click the tools buttons, choose a rectangular and elliptical marquee. Drag the marquee over the area of the image you wish to select. Lasso tool. Select an object by drawing a freehand border around it. Click the tool button, drag to draw a freehand border around the area of the image you wish to select. Magic wand tool. Select all objects in a document with the same or similar fill color, stroke weight, stroke color, opacity or blending mode. By specifying the color range or tolerance, you can control what the magic wand tool select. Crop tool. Click the tool button, then click the drag and drag the tools over a part of image where you want to keep. Resize the selected area, drag the squares at the sides and the corner. Click the return enter key when your crop box is resized correctly. Healing brush tool. Select the tool, click on the color in the image you wish to sample. The color box will display in the color. Alteration tools correct the blemishing in the scan photo. Heal tool. Select the tool, hold down the Alt key and left key on the base color you need to heal. Then left click over the blemish. Brush tool. Draw brushes. Brush tool. Draw brush stroke of different thickness and colors. Select the tool. Then click on the selected area, drag to draw the lines. Use the option bar to change the brush mode, opacity and flow. Clone stamp tool. Take a sample of a image and apply over another image or a part of the same image. Select the tool. Hold down the Alt key and left key and certain point of the document where you want to start your copy point. Then put out the mouse whatever you want the new document you want the picture to go to. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse across the page to copy the picture. History brush tool. Paint over an image using the source data for the specified history, state or snapshot. Select the tool, specify the brush, blending mode, opacity, style, area and tolerance. Erase tool. Erase tool is used to remove the part of an existing pass or stroke. You can use the erase tools on text and only can be erased when it is selected. Selected the tool, click on the part of the image you want to erase and drag the pixels. Color box and modes. The 4 color appears in the upper color selection box and represent a color that is currently active. The background color appears in the lower box and represent the inactive color. To change the foreground color, click on the upper color selection box in the toolbox. To change the background color, click on the lower color selection box in the toolbar. To reverse the foreground and background color, click on the switch color icon in the toolbar. To restore the default foreground and background color, click default color icon in the toolbox. Basic image editing. Adobe Photoshop is an image editing software program. It provides many image editing features. The following are the 3 basic image editing features. First is cropping. If you want to remove parts of an image, you can crop it. If you think of cropping like using a pair of scissors or cut out of the parts of you no longer want. Resize. If you want to make image in a smaller or larger, you can resize it. However, keep in mind that making an image larger than original size generally does not make the image look good. Rotating. If you want to change the orientation of an image, you can rotate it left or right. Cropping is one of the most basic image editing techniques that improves the image and makes your image in standard photo size. There are 2 main ways to crop an image in Photoshop. You can either use by crop tool or make a selection with the rectangular marquee tool. To crop an image using crop tool, follow this step. Number 1. With the image open in Photoshop, select the crop tool from the tool panel. Number 2. Click and drag to select the part of the image you wanted to keep and then release the mouse. Number 3. Adjust the crop handles if necessary. Number 4. Press enter on your keyboard to crop the image, and you can also double click the image. To crop an image using rectangular marquee, follow these steps. Number 1. With the image open in Photoshop, choose the rectangular marquee tool from the tool panel. Number 2. The style drop down menu. If you want the image to be specified ratio, select fixed ratio and type the desired width and height. Otherwise, make sure the style is set to a normal. In this example, we are cropping the image is 4:3 ratio, expected ratio. Number 3. Click and drag to select the part of the image you want to keep and then release the mouse button. 4. If you need, you can click the edge of the selection box and move on the desired position. Number 5. Select image, crop. The image will be cropped. Number 6. The image will be cropped. You can also move the entire selection box while making a selection. To do this, click and drag the selected area you want to set, but do not release the mouse. Press next and hold the space hold bar and keyboards and mouse to move the selection area to the new location. Resizing. Resizing is another features of image editing. You can change the original image smaller or larger by using resizing image option. With the image open in Photoshop, select image size. Follow this step. Number 1. A dialog box will appear. Make sure that the pixels are the currently selected unit size and that is resample box is checked. The lock icon next to the width and height should be also tuned on, which will ensure that the expected ratios stay the same to avoid the distorting the image. Number 2. Type the desired dimension of a new image when you enter the new image width. The height should be adjusted automatically to maintain the original expected ratio. Number 3. Click OK. The image will resize. If there is no automatic options available, From the resample menu, we'll recommend choosing one of the bicubic resizing mode, which will give you the best result for the most situations. Rotating change the orientation of the selection. You can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. Flip the image horizontal or vertical, and even rotate in arbitrary amount to choose a specific rotation. To rotate image, open in Photoshop, select image rotation, then select the desired rotation option. The image will be rotated in the following way. Saving a file. To save a Photoshop file for further use, follow this step. Click on File command from the menu bar, select Save As command. The Save As dialog box appears on the screen. Enter the desired name in the file name box. Select the image format and from the given list and click on Save button. The default extension of the Photoshop file is .psd. The Photoshop files can also be saved in the another image format like .jpg, .gif, .tif, .bmp, .png, etc. If you want to upload your image on web page, the file will be saved as a web features. Layers on the Photoshop is the most powerful features, that is the types of a layer used in the Photoshop, which helps to arrange each element of the image in a different level. You can elements without disturbing the another element. They are individual slices that can be stacked to complete your image composition. When you open an image in Photoshop, it is simple layer. We can add more layer into it and add components to it. You can view, create, edit layers with the layer panel. This is generally be found in the lower right corner of the screen, although you can always use the window layer and make sure. Layer panel. When you create Photoshop image, the layer panel listed all the layers in the image you used in this panels to create, delete, show and hide the layer. The layer display in the respected image as a thumbnail image. The selected image is highlighted in blue to indicate the selection. Background layer. When a new image is created in Photoshop, the background layer is automatically generated. Every image has one background layer. This layer is at the bottom of the layer and cannot be moved and deleted. Adding a new layer. A new layer is automatically created when a new object image is added in the Photoshop workspace. You can add a new layer by selecting layer from the menu bar. Click on new layer, delete a layer. If you do not create a layer and you want to delete that layer from Photoshop workspace, delete a layer, select the layer in the layer panel, right click on the selected layer, from the pop-up menu appears select delete. Filter is a special effects to change the appearance of an image layer of selection in Photoshop. To view different filter options available in Photoshop CS6, click on menu filter. Filter gallery is a Photoshop editing window that helps to work with filters. This window allows you to apply multiple filters, editing and deleting themes. This features is made a filter more flexible, user-friendly and easy to apply. To apply a filter from the filter gallery, follow this step. Click on menu, open the image in the Photoshop, select filter gallery, select the desired filter option display. To apply multiple filters simultaneously, click on the new effect layer icon found at the bottom of applied filter list and choose the additional filter to apply. Repeat the above steps to add filters. To remove a filter, select a filter, apply the filter.
With publication, education for excellence.